Kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. So kali ini kita akan melanjutkan pertandingan Sassuolo Career Mode melawan Juventus ya. Setelah kemarin di pertandingan terakhir kita kalah melawan AC Milan. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan salah satu tim besar kandidat juara juga, Juventus. Namun mereka saat ini di posisi ke-7 ya. Dan kita di sini harus kehilangan Jay Jazz ya selama 2 bulan lah. Oke. Kayak apa-apa. Dan masih ada Circati ya, walaupun JJS ini kehilangan yang cukup atau sangat-sangat dalam ya. Tapi ya gimana mau dikata, life must go on. Kita langsung ke Mapei Stadium menghadapi Sinyonya tua. Postik. Mereka juga nggak banyak perubahan ya pemainnya. Oke, Turati. Gigi. John Battle. Oke, maju Berardi. Aduh. Anjir, ini gara-gara kemarin ya. Tuh enak ini aja lah. Asistet lah. Biarin lah. Anjir. Onside lah. Astaga, masih ke atas dong. Busek. But nice try ya. Aduh, belakang sebenarnya terpatu bisa sih, cuman kita hajar aja lah. Kita nothing tulus aja lah. Oh, Turati. Oh, GG. Turati gelo, damn. Oke. Astaga, anjir, kalau lu masih usah di-intercept. Anjir, kita nggak punya pemain yang jago heading, cok. Aduh, lama, cok. Ya mungkin kita akan menjual beberapa pemain kita ya nanti ya. So jangan kaget. Kemarin saya sudah masukkan beberapa nama di transfer list. Ya untuk menambah inilah kedalaman squad kita. Karena kalau untuk finish di top Eropa, aduh, offside. Kalau untuk finish di zona Eropa atau musim depan main di zona Eropa, nggak bisa pak. Kita harus beli pemain yang bagus. Gallagher tuh contoh. Pembelian yang bagus musim ini ya, dan juga Monteiro lumayan membawa perbedaan ya. Gumoha juga bagus, permanen juga kan. Kun lumayan, tapi belum segahar itu sama Losek juga. Kita lihat aja nanti di musim winter ya. Anjir, pelan-pelan Pak supir. Kalau Juventus ini nggak terlalu ngepres kayak tim-tim besar Serie A lainnya ya. Hajar. kerjasama yang bagus antara Torstvedt, Berardi dan juga Losek. 4 gol dari 15 pertandingan. Oke.
Well, here it is again. 2v1 against the keeper and they make no mistake. It's a well taken goal in the end.
Torstvedt sulit untuk diganti ya sepertinya ini.
Well, it's a
Tapi
big moment
untuk
for him.
sementara
Just
posisi
needs to
ini
get his way
formasi
as
ini
we
GG
focus
sih. Mungkin kita akan beli right back.
Back underway and 1-0 it is.
Ya,
Let's see what happens next.
walaupun si Pras mainnya bagus ya sejauh ini. Maksudnya konsisten lah.
Juventus have given us away.
Walaupun saya sempat underestimate di awal-awal musim,
Conor
tapi
Gallagher.
dia bisa menjawab keraguan ini dengan sangat puas saya.
And finding the flow,
Astaga.
but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end.
Well,
So
Stroik.
getting close to the
Okay.
half-time interval, and it's going with home advantage, albeit not by a lot. What have you made of what you've seen so far?
Well, they've worked hard and played well.
Astaga, offset anjir.
They need to keep their focus as we
Pas
approach
sekali
half-time.
pemain mereka maju. Ya, maju ke depan ya, seret. Anjir. Cuman ya Torstvedt ini kelemahannya di
There will be
heading
1
sih.
minute added on at the end.
Tapi kalau masalah penempatan, taking position bagus
Christian
dia.
Torstvedt.
Oke, babak pertama ya.
And so it is, the first half story has been written.
Babak pertama kita unggul, modal yang sangat bagus.
So the referee's whistle and into the second act of
Torstvedt.
the drama.
Gallagher,
Adam Hlojek.
Volpato. Aduh. Becer Cati GG juga duel sama Jonathan David loh.
Domenico Berardi.
Nggak bisa.
On to Struik.
Strike.
Plenty of live
Pascal
football
Struik.
coming your way right here
Yeah.
on EA TV.
Well, the
Kita
fixtures
nengah
are
ya.
coming thick and fast. It should be a good game, that. Hopefully, I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
And Sassuolo losing possession.
GG, Monteiro semakin matang.
Gallagher. Now with Struik. Torstvedt.
Astaga,
High
cuk.
quality defending.
Tempel ketat gua. Monteiro GG loh.
Paz.
Nggak bisa.
Holding on to what they have is the priority, apparently.
Well, I think they've got to work harder to win the ball back.
30 minutes to go then. Torstvedt. Dangerous ball. Oh, quick finish.
Wansu de Glorio.
Fantastic reflex
Anjir,
action
di
from the
live.
goalkeeper.
Kiper ini nggak sebagus ini loh.
Bremer. Now with
Alah. Saya shoot aja langsung ya harusnya ya. Anjir, aneh, terlalu aneh. Cercati enggak.
Good
Volpato.
defending from Kostic.
Oke, bentar lagi kita akan ganti pemain.
Kefren Turam. And on
Anjir.
to Bremer. Bremer. And into the last 20 minutes.
Biarin aja.
Weston McKennie.
Mahal. Pras kosong. Gallagher,
Conor Gallagher.
Volpato.
Oh, good looking pass.
Asu Volpato, umpan apa itu?
Philip Kostic.
Anjir, gantian pemain, cok.
Pierre Kalulu. And it's with McKennie. Bremer. Conceição. McKennie. Juventus on the front foot, but they've got to take advantage of these opportunities. Francisco Conceição. Kostic has it. Weston McKennie. Now with Kostic.
Anjir, ini sampai akhir gini-gini terus Juventus mainnya.
Conceição.
Nah, biarin lah, nggak ada pergantian pemain juga nggak
And on
apa-apa.
to Thuram.
Anjir, Hakimi.
Hakimi.
Akraf
And
Hakimi
on to
anjir.
Yildiz.
Biarin 2 menit lagi, nggak apalah, nggak ada pergantian pemain.
And on to McKennie. Thuram.
Tambah
Hakimi.
waktu semenit, oke.
And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages.
Anjir, menit terakhir malah colongan anjir.
Good idea.
Habis it,
Conceição.
sit,
Now with Thuram.
anjing.
A terrific defending to stop them progressing.
93 loh.
And there
Wasit
it is.
Bahrain ini anjing. Oke, kemenangan pertama di episode kali ini ya. Tentunya bisa saya harapkan bisa mendongkrak posisi kita di klasemen. Anjir, 51-49. Kita dengan 3 shot. GG. Torsvet dengan man of the match ya. Let's go. Oke, nggak ada gantian pemain, Pak.
La ringrazio per aver accettato di venire ai nostri
Oke,
microfoni.
Cercate sangat bagus ya mengemban tugas menggantikan J.I. Chess sejauh ini. Turati juga sangat GG di bawah Mister Gawang.
Ringraziamo il mister per le
Dan tentunya oke. Coppa Italia kita bisa memainkan pemain pelapis kedua kita ya tentunya. Piras. Oke. Two over. Ntar kita lihat 2 penawaran dulu ya. Alfonsi Lipani. Alfonsi kemarin kita pinjamkan kan. Kita pinjamkan setahun. Anjir, short term mereka minta. Oke. Anjing, minta enaknya aja babi. 40 lah anjing. Oke. Lipani 3.200.000, 4 juta bisa lah itu harusnya ya. Ya gimana Pak, kita butuh dana, butuh ini itu untuk transfer player swap. Kita butuh beli right back yang kualitasnya ya kualitas bagus lah. Terus scout Italia, anjir. Damian Pizarro. Siapa? Salim Makers 14. El Bilal Traore, Ilan Kewal. Boleh. Anjir, striker 21 tahun. Marco Curto. Oke. Untuk selanjutnya open analysis 5 back. Kita training dulu lah ya. Ini aja lah. Kita training dulu biar atribut defending kita menambah. Anjing. Wah, udah langsung penuh, Pak. Gampang ini mah. Anjir, langsung 1000. Oke, kita nggak boleh nyeleding ya. Iya boleh, tapi harus kena orang pak, bukan kena bola. Wah langsung, Cuk, langsung penuh. Anjir udah pak. Duh lama anjing. Nggak mempan anjing. Oke, continue. Kita save dulu ya. Oke, kita langsung saja ke Mape Stadium menghadapi Como FC. Kita bisa memainkan pelapis kita seperti Skelerup. Leroy kita siapkan. Kita butuh Berardi sih. Oke. Solemana boleh main. Burger, Matic nanti main. Kumi enggak lah ya. Kabar boleh. Dur kita mainkan. Kumi nggak akan kita mainkan lah. Losek. Jangan. Kita ganti aja. Gini. Buat jaga-jaga lah ya. Murik main. Tentu saja. Cercati, Kabar, Pras. Alfonsi nanti bisa main gantian. Burger, no, Burger. Meeting nggak pernah main pak. Was juga sih. Nggak bawa si Alfon. Oke, kita gini aja lah. Nggak bawa Losek.
Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and we're just moments away from kick-off time. Stay tuned for the live
Mape Stadium,
action.
Coppa Italia, 16 besar versus Como. Langsung saja ke pertandingan ya. Kita gas-gaskan. Anjir, Kopas udah punya nggak main berarti.
And we have action from the round of 16 just seconds away now. It is Sassuolo and they take on Como.
Oke, Morimovic masih gigi lah ya. Astaga.
And running it back. And so for the Sassuolo starting lineup.
Well, it looks like
ini tinggi juga ya.
It's not the most common setup, but we've seen teams be very successful using this before. They'll be looking to counter and create overloads.
Astaga, ngapain Skelerup situ?
With the forwards ready to pounce when they do.
Let's have a look at the initial 11
Dur,
for the visitors.
Dur gigi ternyata Dur.
Astaga,
offside lah.
Forwards, which should make this exciting to watch. The number 10, I'm sure, is going to be looking for pockets of space to get into, to create for the three forwards.
Might be onto something with that ball.
Yeah, I'd always be in there because I know he'd find me.
Nih, Solemana. BGWP Solemana. Nah ini masalahnya.
Delivering it.
Gak ada yang bisa heading pak. Anjir, Daniel Rugani, Como FC. Dulu sempat digadang-gadang menjadi masa depan timnas Italia ya. Astaga. Gak kena loh. Bersama Romagnoli si Rugani, tapi itu gagal bersinar saat di Juventus. Juga ada Mattia Caldara ya. Sekarang malah udah pensiun Caldara.
quality on the ball for me. I know it's a cliche, but it's almost
Si
as if
kabar
he's got it
GG
on a
sih.
string at times. He's just able to manipulate it so well, work within those tight spaces, and then can pick out the right pass or get his shot off. I'm really looking forward to watching him today.
Astaga, cuk, tutup apa cuk?
Great awareness that. Just
Sokongan
doing the
nggak
right
ada.
thing there.
Kabar.
Maxence Kakere.
Kabarnya harus saya sering mainkan juga sih.
That's excellent defending
Karena
following the cross.
potensinya bisa turun Pak kalau nggak dimainkan Pak. Sumpah.
Oh, moving it nicely.
Buh,
Shot committed, but still dangerous.
Circati.
And the flag has gone up.
Gelo.
Aware and alive inside the
Si
box, always
Mulet
keep moving.
Circati.
And he's just got caught ball watching.
Paz. Nicolas Kuhn.
Terndur.
Now with Sulemana. Domenico Berardi.
Asu.
On to Sulemana. Waited well. Sent through.
Astaga, Rion
Oh,
Moha.
really commanding goalkeeping.
Aduh. Anjir. Bisa sih itu Dio. Aduh, sudah saya placing, kenapa kok tetap di situ? Asu.
Well,
Muarimovic.
giving the ball away. Promising attack.
Alah.
Domenico Berardi. Could be.
Hajar. Astagfirullahaladzim,
Illegal
offside.
position, unfortunately.
Rio Muhas harus belajar finishing sih. Sumpah. Tusukan dia bagus Pak. Finishingnya bapuk. Walaupun yang terakhir tuh tadi offside ya, cuman ya tetap aja nggak gol Pak.
Plenty of support here.
Pras.
Given the position he found himself in,
Ngeri
he
sih
really
Pras
should be
ini.
testing the keeper. Superb opportunity.
Jadi nggak rela cok, sumpah. Tapi kalau dibilang cukup dengan squad ini juga enggak cok.
Domenico Berardi.
Mumoha.
Good idea. Just needs to stay calm.
Astaga, Mumoha.
A chance here perhaps to invigorate
Aduh.
their aerial targets.
Salah saya sih itu.
If you listen to that, they're really getting behind their team. And I'm sure they sense a goal's coming here.
Aduh. Oke, skor
And with that, the
babak
first
pertama
half
0-0.
draws to a close.
GG ya, tapi GG. Oke, langsung aja lah.
So even Steven going
Bisa lah
into
kita,
the second half of
bisa.
this one. Sulemana. This is looking good. Can they forge ahead? And there's just a better
Offside-nya dari mana Pak?
just flag.
Oh, dari Mumoha.
Now in a more than decent position. Can they forge ahead?
Astaga, ya Allah, kiper anjing memang kiper Como dari kemarin kiper Como, kiper Lazio.
And a quick reminder,
Anjing memang dua kiper itu anjing.
in store for you right here on EA TV.
Yeah, I'm certainly looking forward to that one. Hopefully
Sumpah.
we'll see plenty of goals.
Susah Pak ditembus. Kabar. Gelo. Kabar nih bos.
Maxence Kakere.
Main kita Spartan semua ya.
Oh, great vision. Can he
Wait.
deliver? Really committed defending.
Mahal.
Kept his shape really well.
Mumoha. Oke,
Sulemana.
Mumoha lari. Aduh, malah skelerup.
And tidy defensive
Lagian
play.
dia minta bola ke situ, bukannya ke tengah nih. Ya, nggak kaget ya kalau di bursa transfer nanti salah satu yang dijual si Skelerup. Ya, gimana ya Pak ya? Butuh duit juga. Alah. Aduh, enggak nyampe lagi slidingnya. Bahaya.
Well, nicely
Bucir
cut out.
Cati.
Now what can they do with the ball?
Aduh, Skelero minta dulu
Well, we have a plethora of live matches coming up for you here on EA TV. This one,
That was a big shot there, Derek.
Sumpah cok, malah gon anjing. Anak haram malah gon nih. Makan Leroy aja. Oke. Mundur kayaknya bisa di situ ya. Piras mau mainin Piras. Takut Sikun belum menunjukkan tajinya juga ya.
there has been plenty of limbering up from substitutes, and now both sides will make personnel switches.
Ayo kerja. Aduh.
And Sassuolo recovering possession well.
Mundur.
Domenico Berardi. Nice sequence this.
Yeah, you can see they're just waiting for an opening.
Is this the moment?
Anjir.
All academic, however. It's offside.
Offside.
And he clears the danger. Trying to force a mistake.
Oke.
And a substitution in the offing. Played into the box. With both time and space.
Oke, Ken.
Well, he certainly got
Astaga,
away.
salah.
The danger averted for now. Interesting pass. Must take the lead here.
Astaga,
The
Kun.
chance goes begging.
Well, at this stage, with everything on the line, you've simply
sayap
got to
kanan
show
Kun
more
belum.
composure in front of goal.
It's come down to the final 5 minutes, and still they're deadlocked at 0-0. Duvikas. Oh, tremendous vision. Tension building, still level. Options in the centre. Simple for the
Murid.
keeper. Not a huge chunk of added time. Long minute.
Maju Leroy. Anjir.
And that could be all
Rio
so important.
Ngumoha. Catat baik-baik itu. Rio Ngumoha. Catat baik-baik. Namanya Rio Ngumoha.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they go from defence to attack. And the movement is good to get on
Anjir,
the end of it.
menguncam keras ke gawang Mologan bangke tadi ya. Oke, Alfonsi main beberapa detik, oke lah, apa-apa. Terus si Piras main beberapa detik, nggak apalah. Yuk, bisa yuk.
It's a simple finish in the end.
Ini rasain atmosfernya kan, oke. Itu dia kemenangan kita di Coppa Italia dan kita berhak di babak atau ke babak 8 besar ya. Tentunya pertarungan semakin sengit. Butuh satu right back Pak tetap untuk sebagai entah itu cadangan atau asli ya. Rio Ngumoha. Kun loh Pak. Kurang ya Pak ya. Kita bisalah datengin sayap-sayap kanan nanti. Bisa kita lego dia. Bisa kita jual dia. Nanti bisa akhir musim sih baru bisa. Oke, Milan menang. Torino menang atas Lazio, Milan menang atas Bari. Sementara Roma menang atas Bologna dan Napoli dengan Catanzaro belum main ya. Anjir, Inter nggak? Oh itu Inter menang 2-0, Juventus menang 4-1, Fiorentina menang 2-1. Oke. Jelas ya.
Ringraziamo il mister per aver accettato di rispondere ad alcune domande.
Oke, Marimovic memerankan perannya sangat bagus ya. Ngumoha, pahlawan kita di 16 besar Coppa Italia ini. Dan juga sang kapten Domenico Berardi yang bermain sangat baik di lini
Grazie
depannya.
Chipovo per aver risposto.
Dan ya, lawan kita selanjutnya adalah Inter Milan, Alfonsi. Oke, short term mereka mau, kita nego-nego aja. 1 year kalau mau. Oke, short term, no problem. Anjir, tim apa itu cuk? Yah, nggak mau. Nah, mau kan? Kalau nggak mau saya gampar itu pak. Mantap, Muarimovic sudah kembali ke top performanya ya. Andi Hoti, CB. Bentar, lihat release nggak? Enggak sih. Anjir. Oke. Tom Roth. Oh, Tom Roth pemainnya Dortmund dulu kan? Bisa kita pantau-pantau juga. Fabio Chiaroda, Mönchengladbach. Kersen, Luka Philip. Sterling ke Junior Berlin. Anjir, dia left winger ya? Enggak lah, udah tua kan? Ini nggak masalah, bukan masalah tuanya sih pak. CDM 19 tahun. Boleh. Oke, itu dulu aja ya. Untuk selanjutnya kita akan melawan Inter Milan. Kita sekarang berada di peringkat ke-8. Oke, tawaran pertama dari Skelerup ya. 5,5 juta seharusnya bisa menjadi 6,5. Bentar. Siapa yang nawar? Umurnya 24 tahun. Kita bisa lah nyari pemain usia sangat lebih muda daripada dia di angka segitu ya. Contohnya pemain Newcastle yang saya tunjukkan kemarin. Ini dia. Nah ya. Ini. Sorry. Osula. 23 tahun. Ya, striker. 6'4". Pizarro. Bilal Toure. Victor Osimhen masih. Ya, kita scout aja. Smith, oke. Itu dia. Dan selanjutnya adalah Osimhen. Anjir, 197.000. Gak jadi pak. Itu lebih mahal dari Lautaro Martinez bahkan. Gak jadi. Oke. Bentar. Kumi berapa? 2,5. 29. 32 bisa ini pak. FC Twente kan. Jadi masa klub Liga Belanda gak kuat cok. 32 bisa lah Twente. Atau oke, mau. Ya ke Twente. Atau kita barter sama Messilgers. Gak usah lah ya, kebanyakan pemain Indonesia. Lautaro Martinez, Memphis Depay, Marco Bastoni, De Vrij, Jarbier Reed. Anjir, Reed ini pemain yang sempat kita incar beberapa yang lalu ya. Oke. Traore. Ntar aja lah. Kita training dulu gak sih bos? Training dulu kita. Nah ini dia, overload defending atau stop wall aja lah. Let's go. Ya ini gampang susah sih. Wah, tiba-tiba belok. Anjir kan. Harus mundur semua pemain kita pak. Anjir, nggak dapat. Bego saya, bego. Langsung nekuk dong tiba-tiba. Pepe Berardi anjing. Nah, dapat. Oke, kita diam aja dulu ya. Nah. Asu, cuk, yang susah itu nyilang. Mereka nyilang kayak gitu anjing. Weh. Aduh, Torsvet. Torsvet kah? Iya. Alah. Gallagher. Waduh, oke sekali lagi lah. Kalau nggak berhasil ya nggak usah. Nah. Ya Allah. Struik anjing. Oke. Torsvet boleh lolos ya, Gallagher nggak boleh. Nah, tahu saya, Cuk, kemana kau pergi. Nah, mantep kan? Udah, biarin aja lolos, bodo amat. Nggak, kita latihan. Anjing. Oke, terserah lah, gol apa enggak. Masih satu lagi. Gasken dia. Alah. Oke, itu dia ya. Osimhen anjing 197 itu siapa Pak yang mau beli? Dodo. Alvarez 14 penting. Alvarez masih agak murah. Kita save dulu lah ya. Habis ini saya mau berbuka puasa dulu, saya lanjutkan nanti ya. Tapi videonya saya akan gabung tentu saja. Oke, kita formasi dulu ya. Moa sepertinya nggak bisa dibawa, Siong aja bawa. Kumi nggak usah lah ya. Skelerub Kun. Leroy. Oke. Oke, kita ganti dulu ya. Soalnya ini gampang maju terus sih Torsvet ini. Kita ganti ke playing playmaker. Nah, yuk langsung ke Giuseppe Meazza. Melawan peringkat ketiga yaitu Inter Milan, juara bertahan Serie A.
Well, what an exciting game we have in store today. The anticipation has been building up, and we're just moments away from kickoff.
Gas.
Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game.
Nih, lawan tim besar nih.
I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by the ever
Rada-rada bahaya ya.
We've got a game
Bukan
coming up
rada,
for
bahaya
you
sih.
from Serie A. What are your expectations from this?
When looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice
Oke,
there are
kehilangan
some great
bola.
matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
This is the home side's
Santai.
team today. Jan Sommer is in
Santai.
goal. Stefan de Vrij plays alongside Alessandro Bastoni as centre-backs. And in attack, Memphis Depay plays alongside Lautaro Martinez. One to latch onto here. And we don't have to wait long for the opening goal. It's 1-0.
Gol cepat kah? Oke, Losek lama-lama menyelesaikan diri ya. Umpan yang sangat bagus dari Torsvet. Berardi kepada Losek. Lolos kawalan tadi ya. Dikawal siapa itu Pak? Pavard. Wah, ini dia. John Battle. di pertandingan selanjutnya berhasil mengalahkan Juventus ya. Sampai saya tidak melakukan pergantian pemain. Oke, ini kita harus main safe ya.
Bastoni. Barella. Alessandro Bastoni. Depay.
Oke, Circati mahal.
Kun.
Astaga, Kun. Oke.
Nicholas Kun. This is really nice.
Nggak usah.
The end of all this would be fitting.
Yeah, but they need to make it count.
Gallagher. Nice pass and on they march.
Astaga,
Too
offside.
soon, it's offside.
Telak sih offside. Malah nggak kena, Kun. Durun.
Memphis Depay. Lautaro Martinez. Beautifully weighted ball. Now to deliver a good ball in. Good patient build-up, looking to fashion a chance.
Wah, anjir, langsung first
Feel
time
his
dong.
pain after seeing that fly over. Really well struck.
Pelatihnya Inter masih Cifu ya.
Christian Torsbeth.
Offside sih.
Forward progress continues with a good ball. Offside has been given here. Pressure, possession, patience, but will it provide an equaliser?
All needs a bit more penetration, really.
That's a good ball. Chance for the equaliser.
Asu.
A goal that draws them back on level terms.
Well, as you can see, he doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well-balanced and skillful. That's a top-class finish.
Berardi. Christian Torsbeth. Strauch. Conor Gallagher. Could be setting something now. On to Gallagher. Christian Torsbeth. And it's
Wah,
offside. Didn't get back in
Losek
time.
nggak
He
muncul ke
just
tengah,
needed to
Cuk.
go elsewhere with his pass. He showed a complete lack of awareness there.
De Vrij.
Press.
And the ball back with Sommer. Federico Di Marco. Pavard. Onto Depay. Getting into a good position. Martinez. Marco.
Offside kah harusnya?
Dealt with that
Offside, Cuk.
superbly.
Ini nih bahaya, Cuk.
Laid into the box.
Wah, anjir,
It's
nggak ada
a
yang
nightmare from that. That's a really good chance to score.
Oke, babak pertama ya.
And that's going to be it for the first 45 minutes.
Langsung resume.
And the second half kicks off with 45 more minutes ahead of us.
Bisa.
Players waiting in the centre. And maybe not
Anjir,
the
lolos.
best idea to go for the
Pun.
blast. Accuracy sacrificed for power.
Well. Oke, good Cercati.
Torsbet.
No. Gak bisa, jangan dipaksakan.
Christian Torsbet.
Alah, Torsvet, anjing lah.
Great reading of the game. Nicolo Barella. On he goes, terrific. Well, they're probing, but no clear chance of going in front appearing yet. Well, he's lost the ball, and any chance has gone.
Well, they were nice and compact there and defended that fairly easily.
Lama, hampir.
Nicholas Kuhn. Cuts inside.
Alah, supportnya mana lini kedua?
Well, it's
Alah,
from
Torsvet
Memphis
ini
to Bayern.
males.
Certainly caught the eye up to now. He's putting his stamp
Udah,
on the
biar
gap.
kartu kuning langsung ganti.
Clumsy challenge, and the ref blows for a free kick. And he has been booked for that.
Yeah, and it certainly deserved a yellow. It's a poor challenge, you have to say.
Now, this might be promising. Oh, it must be here. Oh, great work
Maju,
from the keeper to avert the danger.
Kun.
It's been cut out.
Counter attack.
Depay. Set up the chance. Got a lead here. For the blast on goal there, but accuracy has been sacrificed for power. And he's certainly made.
Kun ini masa si Leroy sih sini? Boleh lah. Kita nggak bawa Ngumoha ya. Siong boleh. Oke, kurang satu lagi nanti mungkin ya.
Mark on the game. And now time for someone else to have a go.
Alah. Metik. Metik. Intil Metik.
Conor Gallagher. Well, it was looking good, but ultimately
Pas
nothing doing.
Pavard cuk,
No
musuh
chance
cuk.
of getting through on that occasion, was there?
Metik, anjing.
Nicolo Barella. This is a lovely spell of possession. Now it needs a good ball in. Takes it on.
Ya ampun.
Yes, it's a ripper. There was no margin for error with that. It's a quite wonderful hit.
Metik main kayak kontol anjing.
We've taken the lead. There's not long left to hang on to it as we go again. Time to cross to Alex. Details coming into the goal.
Kalah pemain sih kita.
It's a goal for Fiorentina. They're back in this now with 82 minutes played.
Alex there ensuring we don't miss a thing.
Kuat.
Davide Fratesi. Patient build-up, but not
Cercati
quite
sih
the end
bagus sih.
product.
Nanti kan Ijes selama ini.
Second half almost over. The scoreline not in their favour, and nor is the
Woi,
clock.
Volpato.
Well, it's been a fairly even match, but at key moments,
Alah,
they've just been
alah,
second
alah.
best. They couldn't defend
Anjing,
it better
maju
for the
ada
goals,
apa
and
sih,
they've missed
anjing?
opportunities at the other end. It'll be a disappointing result if it stays this way.
They have to make something count from this. Oh, it's in! Back from the brink with a timely equaliser.
Losek kah? Buh. Gelo.
Let's see this again, because the delivery into the box couldn't be any better. Played into just the right area, and then what a strike. That's hit with such
Mahal,
ferocity.
bre.
Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
Oke, satu poin yang sangat penting dari San Siro ya. Kita melawan 3 tim besar sekaligus, AC Milan, Juventus, dan Inter Milan, dan kita berhasil meraih 4 poin ya. Tentu catatannya sangat impresif, dimana kita hanya melakukan 3 shot, sementara mereka 8 shot. Losek dengan man of the match ya tentunya. Sementara Juventus mengalahkan Fiorentina dengan skor 2-1. Oke, Kumi penawaran. Bentar, Kumi 3.200.000 Pak. Kalau nggak mau mundur aja. Ya, kita nggak menerima klub yang nggak punya duit. Segitu harganya, oke. Mantap. Oke, terus Fed. Matic sih kurang sih. Ntar si Torsfed. Duh, padahal butuh speednya saya Pak. Half winger, balance, vision, crossing, playmaker, strength-nya juga sih. Atau di holding midfielder ya, biar defensive aware-nya naik lah. 7 scout report. Alex Paulsen, 24 tahun. Real face enggak? Year enggak? Nggak usah. Lewis Potter. Ah, no. Anjing, Lukas Asadi. Oke, biarin lah, nanti aja ya. Oke, sekarang kita di peringkat ke-7 Pak. Piras. Oke, Piras. Bentar Pak, saya lihat dulu ya. Anjir, live editor. 35, 36 kuat sih dia. Belum dapat debut Pak dia Pak. Oke. Untuk tambah-tambah lah ya. Oke, sementara kita jersey Matic. Alfonsi kita pinjamkan. Gallagher, GG Gallagher. Torsfed 25.000. Oh, dijual lumayan sih. Beli siapa yang lebih muda ya? Ya nantilah. Ini kita jual ya si Ndur, main bagus tadi. Sulaiman butuh waktu bermain aja dia. Almada Monteiro masih bisa. Siong ini bisa kita loan atau kita kembangkan ya. Bisalah kita loan. Losek. Berarti sih. Kun ini, aduh. Kurang ya menurutku saya. Oke, dia sepakat kan? Oke. Kita gas lah. Oke, Lipani ke Monza dengan transfer budget 4 juta euro. Tentunya dipotong pajak oleh klub kintil ini. Piras. Oke ya, Piras. Young Boys. Sorry, kita patok di luar Italia 38 ya, lebih mahal. Oke, harusnya 4 juta bisa itu. Anjing, cuman 2.800.000, cuk. Berapa sekarang ini? 26 juta budget kita. Oke, si Alfonsi ya kita pinjamkan tadi selama setengah musim. Semoga bisa berkembang Alfonsi. Semoga kamu betah di klub barumu ya selama 6 bulan ini, Alfonsi. Samsun Spor. Oke. Alfonsi, siap. Ini transfer Indo kan belum buka ya, Januari kan ya. Oke, kita home melawan Bolonya. Tentunya. Osula. Ini adalah pengganti dari Skelerup lah ya. Atau Turam sekalian. Martinez gak mungkin lah. Anjir, Osimhen harga segitu, cok. Oke, kita langsung gas. Skelerup ke Real Oviedo dengan budget 6,5 juta. Anjir, 8 juta bisa itu. Kumi ke Liga Portugal ya. Oke, 4 juta bisa harusnya, biarin lah. Siong. Loan to buy, no. Dia hanya di loan aja. Short term. Oke, 2 tahun ya. Oke, Siong. Anjir. Berapa uang kita itu harusnya udah lebih dari 30 juta ya. Oke, next lawan Sassuolo Ultimate. Win league online meaning your opponent might adapt their tactic to counter you this side. 11 minute tactical change before upcoming match. Oke. Siong. No loan to buy, loan aja. Oke. Kita, aduh kok turnamen. Kita ke press conference terlebih dahulu. Oke, Losek di beberapa atau di pertandingan terakhir bermain bagus ya melawan Inter. Tentu saja dan Gallagher adalah sign penting kita di musim ini, dan tak lupa juga Torsved yang masih memberikan permainan konsisten walaupun sedikit-sedikit mulai tergeser. Dan juga opponent analisis kita, mereka menggunakan formasi 4-3-3 ya, dengan Fabian sebagai gelandang tengah, main incaran kita salah satunya ya. Dan sekarang kita akan latihan dulu. Yang terupas dan juga melatih finishing kita ya. Good job. Aduh, sundulannya Pak. Alah, Luseng nih nggak bisa nyundul, cok. Oke, Gallagher udah pasti lah ya, shot. Boom. Bam. Anjir, tepes Turati, GG. GGWP Turati. Maju. Wah, anjir. Alah, nggak maju, cok. Si Losek, cok. Apalah, yang penting kita dapat playstyle sementara. Let's go, kita save dulu lah ya. Siapa tahu. Kita lihat klasemen dulu, bentar. Anjir, posisi 9. Oke. Kita nggak terpaut jauh poinnya dengan Atalanta di peringkat kelima, hanya 2 poin. Oke, bisa lah, yuk. Yuk. Yuk, bisa yuk. Gasken. Di kanan Kun belum. Murik boleh main lah sekali-sekali lah. Si Kabar. Boleh, kita kasih starter. Ndur, Pak. Matic kita jual sih kayaknya nanti. Ndur mainnya bagus kan tadi? Atau gini. Kita coba aja dulu ya.
From the moment he walked through the door, the vision was clear. On tactics, about unity and identity. The fans see it, and their support tells its own story. So far, so good. But could the best be yet to come?
Langsung kick off.
Well, conditions really couldn't be any better here tonight. A very warm
Lawan kita adalah bolonya.
evening. My name's Guy Mowbray. Sue Smith is alongside me for commentary.
Salah satu tim kuat juga ya. Bisa dikatakan kuda hitam lah. Yang sering merepotkan tim-tim gede.
Buzzing ahead of kick-off. Let's hope the football lives up to the atmosphere.
No.
This is the home side's team today.
Well, it looks to be a 4-2-4, which is great when you have the ball, but the two midfielders are
Aduh,
going to be very busy
kecantol
today,
tadi.
that's for sure. We'll see how the first 10 or 20
Tadi ya,
minutes
pemain
play
yang
out,
tidak
but
akan kita
I
jual
wouldn't be too surprised if they make a few
itu
adjustments at some
JIJS,
point.
Gallagher dan juga Berardi. Selain itu masih bisa.
We've seen another brilliant start
Anjir,
here.
Richarlison main
Really
si
getting the upper hand tactically.
sini Pak di bolonya.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, iya
They've
dong.
played their cards right in each encounter so far,
GG,
haven't
Pak.
they?
Adam Bojek.
Bumoha.
And he's pinned a beauty.
Aduh,
That's a good pass.
wah,
Going gung-ho for goal, not yet anyway.
Oh, the
Salah.
pass is so crisp, isn't it?
anjir mereka udah bertahan dong.
Gallagher
Nggak bisa.
pushing forward, and there are choices on. And that's where it ends.
Oh, satu kali ya itu ya kontrol yang kayak gitu ya. Astaga.
Well, he's a player that many have been talking about.
Okay,
Will we be
Dur.
talking about him for the right reasons today, though?
Yeah, 2 goals last time out, and that's why he's the focus. Difficult to mark because he's always on the move, intelligent runs and always finding a yard of space. But will it be the same again today?
Cleared, but not out of trouble yet. And the
Wah,
flag's gone
offside
up for
si
offside.
Well, you've got to be aware and alive
Rio
inside the
Moha.
box. Always keep moving, and he's just got caught ball watching.
Wajah.
Calvin
Ya, press. Kasih tekanan. Press, Rio. Press.
Played back to Skorupski. Bassi.
Turun.
Moro.
Ini kalau Torsve dijual sih kita dapat pemasukan yang sangat bagus ya. Di sisi lain kita punya gelandang-gelandang seperti Endur ini yang bagus juga.
For the lead here. Amazing.
Tenang Pak, Endur Pak.
Yeah, real desire there to get it back. Great challenge that. Always in
Gandur.
control.
Roger. Lovely ball. This could lead to something.
Pun. Oke, corner.
Still nothing to
Corner.
split the two sides. Maybe that will change with this corner.
Well, the crowd are up for this. They haven't had too much to cheer about for a while, but this is a big chance.
Pas tengah cuy, siapa itu?
It's a move and those
Pascal.
defenses were absolutely
Pascal Struijk.
top class.
It's been delivered.
Pasem, percobaan kedua gagal.
Something happening here. Played in with that.
Allah.
Aibisha. Moro. Ricardo Orsolini. Richarlison.
Cuman kalau Endur mungkin speednya yang kurang ya.
Aibisha. There's a nice passing rhythm to the play. Well, not quite
Okay.
accurate enough, and it'll be a goal
Jerry
kick
Kallison
now.
taruh sayap bang.
Nicholas Kuhn. On to Gallagher. Adam Hojek. And there they go, the attack is on.
Astaga. Kunci perlu diperhitungkan ya untuk masuk transfer list. Antara saya yang
That
bisa
whistle, the first half
manfaatin
comes to an end.
dia cocok atau yang dia tidak bisa ya. Ya nggak ada pertanyaan, nggak ada jawaban lain selain saya nggak bisa memanfaatkannya ya.
Calvin Bassett.
Ya saya nggak bisa memanfaatkannya. Oke, kali ini Gallagher. Gosek. Astaga.
To gain possession.
Cuk, langsung tutup dua pemain anjing. Sumpah.
Mikel Aibisha. Orsolini. This could be threatening. To take the lead.
Blok yang sangat bagus dari Pascal Struijk. Boom, nggak diblok, masuk itu.
And the ball comes in.
Kabar.
Hasn't been decisively dealt with. Strong work there to keep it.
Oh, it's good strength. I like that.
Fureo semua.
Intercepted. Great reading of the game.
Berardi.
Played through perfectly.
Aduh, ya ampun. Aduh, gak mundur lagi anjir.
Vintage performance in the first
Alah, malah
half.
maju.
What will be your view soon?
There's definitely more to come from him. He's just been a bit quiet, and at times he's made decent
Mundur,
runs,
mundur,
but
nggak
his
bisa.
teammates just haven't found him. I'm sure if he gets a chance in the second half, he'll take it.
Aibisha.
Gak mungkin lah saya jual Berardi gara-gara satu kayak gitu. Dia tetap pemain kita, tetap legend kita, Pak.
Continues. Read the pass well and counted it.
Astaga, Pras.
And there it is, the goal that's broken the derby deadlock and stunned this stadium.
Well, here's the
No, no, no,
replay.
no, 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 no.
Straightforward finish in the end, but he does well to find space and then hit the target. I'm sure he'll be pleased with that.
Aduh, Gallagher. Sorry.
Still going here. Promising looking ball.
Eh,
Still up the ground.
kok dibuang? Niatnya saya mau sliding itu.
It'll be a throw. There's going to be a change now. That's a good ball.
Anjir, Skelerup kah? Oke, di sini tadi Olsek bagus ya. Oke, kita bisa ganti Solimana. Volpato masuk. Atau lebih ke Torsvet ya. Oke,
Well worth the
gas.
goal, but it's gone narrowly wide. And 3 changes coming up now. Gallagher. Lovely ball. This could lead to something.
Torsvet duel dong sekali-kali.
To the last 15 minutes. Oh, brilliant anticipation. And the ref has played advantage here. Looking to put the cross in.
Tuh, sini nggak bantu lagi kamar tadi.
Gallagher. Gonna try and block.
Rio.
Adam Hoja. They're in here. Oh, he tried to...
Skelerup, anjing ngapain kau di situ bujang? Ah, mana sih ya?
Change here. Good pressure this high up the pitch. 5 minutes
Gak
left,
usah pak,
1 goal in it.
striker kita
Still the
butuh satu
prospect
yang
of late
killer,
excitement.
ganas.
Stefan Posch. That's been cut out. Well, time ticking away, but there's still belief here. Here we go. And heroic
Kintil.
That was a huge moment and it's been dealt with. It's hard to see them creating anything better now.
under a little bit of pressure. He's managed to put it wide.
Well, he just can't get away from his marker for a clean header. That's top defending.
Calvin Bassey. Well, if they keep the ball like
Aduh,
this, they win the game.
aduh.
Yeah, they're definitely in control now. Just seeing it out, aren't they?
Could be setting something now.
Oke, maju. Kalah habis
Well, that
anjing,
brings the
kalah.
match to a close. A frustrating day for the fans in attendance.
Gimana kita butuh poin malah kalah.
They're just not at the level.
Kita lebih shotnya lebih banyak loh. Anjing, 2 striker kita ngapain? Cuk.
Siamo in compagnia del mister per le prime impressioni a caldo sul match appena concluso.
Oke,
Era l'ultima
bentar settingan. Ada yang perlu diperbaiki di setting ini, Pak. Gameplay wither. Bentar, yang run itu mana ya? Visual. Bukan, Pak. Bukan yang ini. Mungkinlah di sini ada kok. Playstyle icon. Nggak mungkin sini. Di mana ya? Game type setting. Lo aja. Kita bikin taktikal ya. Oke. Kita turun peringkat ke 9 ya. Daniel Esposito. Ntar mana Daniel Esposito? Nah, kita bisa jual ini kan? 17 tahun. Oke. Tagging kita yang banyak ya. Kita jual-jualin aja dari sini ya. Thierry, aduh nggak bisa, masih muda. 16 tahun. Kita promotin tapi kita jual aja lah ya. Buat nambah-nambah duit. Ya dong, bisnis pemain kan. Leroy. $30 juta. Skelerup. Volpato. Kun Kindil. Siong. Terus siapa lagi tadi? Oh, nih Esposito langsung kita jual ya kan. Piras Genoa dengan budget 3,7 juta. C 4,5 anjing. Oke. Oke. Siapa dia? Oke, ini dia Siong ya. Kita pinjamkan selama 2 musim. Semoga betah Siong. Two years. Untuk budget sekarang kita anjir masih 26. 25. Kita jujur-jujuran nih Pak. Butuh satu pemain GG. Untuk finansial, market value paling gede itu JJS, Torsvet. Kita jual Torsvet. Salah satu pemain kunci kita. Oh, si ini pengen ini kan? Pengen perpanjang kontrak ya? Oke, nggak apa-apa lah. Tapi harganya sudah turun. Prospek. Anjir, sporadik, siap. Samain lah 18. Turun gaji mau nggak? Bonus. Oke. Tapi ini Manja Matic ini legend lah ya. Biarin dia di klub. Kumis sudah terjual. Torsvet. Bingung saya Pak. 50 kita bisa dapat striker GG. Oke, bentar. Kita save dulu. Kita rekrut. Anjir, Traore. $54. Oke. Kita bisa player swap lah. dengan center back kita. Gak mungkin. Goalkeeper gak mungkin. Midfielder Thorstvedt. Matic gak mungkin. Nicholas Kuhn. Atau striker Adam Holsek. Kita transfer fee aja, coba 20. Mau nggak dia? Anjir 78 cuk. Uang dari mana kita? Ngepet kah? Thorstvedt. As 15 banyak lah. Jadi 59 tuh. Oke, mereka mikir dulu ya. Ya pasti nggak mau lah itu. Bujang itu. Oke ya. Untuk merekrut goal getter seperti itu kita butuh menjual pemain lah ya. Paksa pak. Walaupun di musim pertama dia GG, di musim ini juga GG. Oke, masih steal. Oke, sekali huruf. Dan Esposito 4 juta. Tar ini 5 juta ini pak. Oke, duit kita nambah terus dari akademi kan. Oke. Belum ada tanda-tanda ya. Siong, Piras, Kumis, Kelerup. Advance. Kita menghadapi Atalanta ya. Formasi 3-4-2-1. Si Andre Lokman sebagai ujung tombak mereka. Thuram 78 anjing. Oh 38 uang kita sekarang ya. Anjir. Nicholas Kuhn tawarkan 30 35 deh. Jadi nggak mau pak. Saat dua kiper kita nggak mungkin lah. Striker, center back nggak mungkin. Winger nggak mungkin. Gallagher, Berger, anjing. Solemana, striker. Doik. Kita punya budget segini cok. Kalau kau mau anjing lah. Mau dia 78. Kita sambil belajar ini ya, finishing. Malah nggak bisa nyundul dia, Pak. Oke, langsung kita continue dan melawan Atalanta. 10 ya. Si Volpato. Kita main tanpa Torset bisa nggak ya? Kalau nggak gitu ya kita promosiin pemain junior sebanyak-banyaknya, tapi kita jualin semua.
A bold move before the start.
Oke, langsung kita ke matchnya lawan Atalanta.
Well, at least we know that the pitch will be slick. Hello to you.
Salah satu tim papan atas ya di real life ya.
With the former Arsenal and West Ham midfielder Stuart Robson alongside me. And we've got action for
sabar,
you from
sabar,
Serie
sabar.
A coming up. What can we expect from the game then?
Well,
Jadi
this should be
3 orang
interesting
langsung
today.
masuk.
I like the makeup of both teams. They really do have a good balance of attacking and defensive qualities. But the team that has the greater desire will probably come out on top.
Tengahnya ketutup.
Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Well, it looks like a 3-4-2-1, but key to this formation will be the two wing-backs. They've got a lot of ground to cover, both in attack and defensively.
Astaga, Volpato kintil.
Great goalkeeping. These two managers have gone head-to-head before. They know each other well enough.
Yeah, it's always been tense between these two. This won't be any different, I don't think.
Body in the way, good work.
Harus dikateleri, Pak.
Go a long way with this.
Anjir. Oke.
Held on to as well. Conor Gallagher in the right position to cut out the pass.
Tutup, Cuk.
This could be dangerous. And the pressure pays.
Su.
Now to switch up again. I'm hearing of a goal at Blue Energy Stadium. Let's get over to Alex.
It's a goal for Napoli. They've scored the opener here with 19 minutes played.
Thanks to Alex for the update.
Alah.
To take the lead.
Hampir, Cuk, potong
Range
Cuk.
really should be testing the keeper. No wonder he's frustrated with himself. Conor Gallagher. Keeping the ball but being kept at bay with the sides locked level.
Volpato
Maybe one
ngapain
pass
di
too
situ?
many and they've
Majulah.
lost it.
Oke, burger.
Gallagher. Conor Gallagher. 2-1, well read.
Giliran suruh maju mundur, giliran build up malah maju, kintil-kintil nih. Maju.
And it's on now. I don't know how he's kept that out. A terrific save. Corner kick played in. Cleared, but not out of trouble yet. Trying his luck.
Oke.
What a save that is. De Roon. Martin De Roon. Nikola Zalewski. And that's where it ends.
Yeah, just stopped it in its tracks there.
Going up through the gears
Maju
now.
kintil
They were
Volpa
getting
Totem.
interested there, but not anymore.
Duh. Sabar.
Gallagher. Pascal Struijk. And on to Berger. Keeping it nicely, waiting for the chance to get themselves in front. And he's through here. There it is. That's the breakthrough.
Anjir, Holsek tadi
And
bagus
fully
sih mainnya.
deserved, you have to say.
Well, it's a decent goal, but the defenders certainly played their part. Where were they? They were absolutely all over the place.
Wah, anjing. Siapa itu Volpato nggak? Ini cok. Oke, babak pertama kita unggul ya.
Brings the first 45 minutes to a close. The players set, the whistle sounds, and the second half begins.
Mereka selalu konsisten di 4 besar loh. Nyatanya mereka kan main di Liga Champions kan. Berger.
Decent looking attack this.
Berger menyala sih.
Pass is incomplete, nicely won. Well, the transfer everybody's been talking about has now been confirmed, so the will they or won't they discussions can now end.
Well, he's a great talent. Hopefully this move will see him play at his best week in, week out. It's a really good move for everybody.
Working the ball really nicely. Shame for them, nothing doing.
Potong dong.
Nikola Zalewski. And he's asked plenty of questions of the back line. It's certainly been difficult to contain.
Well, he certainly had an impact on that first half. Scoring that late.
Good chance
Astaga,
here.
Doik.
Oh, that's a bad miss. Surely the wrong choice.
It certainly was. The cutback may have been the better option.
Chi lo desiderasse è possibile prenotare anche da cellulare cibo della Sport presso i locali all'interno dello stadio.
Gak usah ini wither nih cok. Ganggu aja anjing.
No need to force things. Content to pass it around.
Yeah, they're dominating the ball here.
Promising looking ball.
Berger tapi Losek heading sih. Saya butuh striker yang jago heading, bener-bener jago pak.
Villanova. Crucial defending.
Terang. Main-main gini kan gak apa-apa pak.
Gallagher. So 20 minutes left of this game. Domenico Berardi. Now with Berger. Berardi! Still problems for them here.
Gak corner dong.
Could turn out to be a really good
Alah.
goalkeeper more than ready
Lusek.
for it. And here comes a change. Corner is fired in. be a real chance developing.
Asu.
Save. That just
Tahu
had to
gitu
be kept
saya
out.
oper tadi.
Could that stop be the turning point? They'll need to be quick though.
Still believe there's
Lukman bahaya.
something
Doik.
from the crossing.
Oke, Doik. Serangan balik.
Well, a bit of a disappointing end to the attack. Great instinct there to cut it out.
Well, I have to say, these fans have been excellent. They still believe they're going to get
Wah,
back.
Burger sih GG sih Burger. Oke, Pak, belum bergantian pemain sama sekali anjing. Sikun Momoha masuk. Marimovic boleh masuk situlah. Torsvet. Ikan Burger. Ini kali ya. Oke. Gas.
Overhit, and behind it goes. Action on the bench as both teams are going to make a substitution. Christian Torstvedt. Adam Hojek.
Aduh, support.
Bellanova.
Bahaya.
They have to make something count from this. Really nicely played. What can they do with
Marimovic.
this now?
Gelo. Oke, kemenangan sangat penting
The away fans able to
bagi
celebrate
kita
the
ya.
win and the 3 points.
They didn't dominate the game by any means today, but overall they had the better.
Kita 7 shot, Gallagher man of the match di tim kita. Oke, sementara banyak tim imbang ya. Peluang bagi kita untuk merangkak naik
Ringrazio
tentunya.
per aver accettato di venire ai nostri microfoni. Ringraziamo il mister per le
Murik. Oke, kita save aja lah. Last game. Last game kita melawan Hellas Verona ya. Kita posisi 9. Torre Interest Esposito Sold. Oke. Anjir, berarti kita masih belum bisa deketin Thuram lagi ya. Anjir lah. Pizarro, nope. Toure. Osimhen 105, Pak. Anjing. Sprint speed. GG sini. Lautaro aja kalah ya. Oke, kita advance dulu lah. Oke, Daniel Esposito ke Paris FC dengan budget 5 juta. Anjir, masih B, cok. Torsvet AC Milan 52. No, bentar. Kalau 76 sih kita langsung beli striker GG ya. 76. Oke. Saya harap AC Milan punya duit lah ya. Anjir, Boniface. Boleh sih. Oyarzabal, Colombo, Camarda 18 tahun. Tomori, Connie de Winter. Oh iya, Gabia dijual ya. Danilo. Ada Kubis. Fullback, Estupinan, Atekame. Oh, berarti Sagi dijual ya. Midfielder Fofana, Rabiot, Ricci, Jasari, Loftus. Modric masih ada, Pak. Anjir, 41 tahun dong. Leao, Pulisic. Leao kita bisa beli nih, tapi ya enggak lah. Chukwueze, Belentin. Belentin. Oh, pemain asal Belanda itu ya. Oke, kita ke 76. Klub kere, cok. Asu. Oke, kita langsung ke match melawan Hellas Verona. Kita akan training dulu ya. Seperti biasa, kita akan belajar finishing. Udah bagus Pak finishing. Cuman back Serie A ini anjing semua emang. Wih, GG. Nyundulnya masih kacau Pak, sumpah. Ini nggak usah ditanyakan, Gallagher. Footwork. Wih. GG. Oke, Hellas Verona 2 kali draw, 3 kali kalah ya dalam 5 pertandingan terakhir. Mereka di juru kunci, sementara kita di posisi 9. Oke, jangan lihat klasemen dulu. Kita langsung ke matchday-nya ya. Dan yap. Oke, Murik tadi pengen main kan? Ganti Murik. Gallagher, Berger bermain bagus. Ndur bisa. Leroy. Oke, Torsa tetap kita bawa lah ya. Dia kan belum kejual juga.
It's easy to see how, as a manager, he matches the DNA of the club. Everyone pulling in the same direction, and the fans can feel the synergy.
Oke, langsung aja kita gaskan dia.
And joining me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. I'm greatly looking forward to bringing you live coverage of this match being played in Serie A. It is Sassuolo and they take on Hellas Verona.
Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players.
Mana si sayap kita si Kun? Kuntul.
Has the right attitude today is the big question.
Astaga.
Striking the post. But it wasn't going to stand in any case with the flag raised.
Oke, Gallagher. Anjir, kipernya nggak bisa ketipu ya. Orang lain main bisa, Cok. Saya main nggak bisa, anjing emang.
Yeah, there's a lot of respect for each other, I think. Both are very good tacticians.
Well, it's one pass after another. Well, I'll tell you what, he didn't miss by an awful lot. Struijf. Gallagher.
Kontol.
Put a stop to the chance.
Anjing.
Well, who will be the player to decide the outcome to
ngabisin stamina aja lari-lari seperti itu tadi.
What do you anticipate seeing from him?
Well, whenever the ball drops to him in the box, you expect him to score.
Woi.
He's such a good finisher and a good all-round player.
Was likely to be given as a foul. Interesting pass.
Kejar bola.
Just narrowly
Kaki
wide.
kiri anjing. Aduh.
Now options are plenty, but nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Decent pass. In behind. And a goal!
Selebrasi dulu gak sih?
They've been pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its
Dia
very best.
umpan
While the
dari
movement in the
kapten
box is
kita ya.
equal to it, it's such good
Tendangan
timing.
kelidir
What a goal.
dari seorang Losek.
Ha segnato
1-0 then. Bradaric.
Kalau Torsvet kejual sih kita ya bisalah beli at least Thuram.
Trying to tee it up. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Counter-attacking possibilities. Well, this could really help the cause. Can he finish?
Mahal. Serangan balik cepat dari Sassuolo. Buh. Diselesaikan langsung oleh Ryungu Moha. GG gelo men.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. But I don't
Kaki
think the keeper should
kiri,
be beaten in his
kipernya
near post quite so
ngongo
easily.
itu, Pak.
I thought that was stoppable.
Boom. Buh. Langsung dance. GGWP sini.
So back underway with the scoreline standing at
Kerjasama
2-0.
tim seperti ini yang diperlukan Pak ya. Jadi ya otak
Castanos.
saya tentunya harus lebih pintar ya. Dan jangan misuh-misuh kebanyakan, Cok. Wait,
Looking move.
wait, wait.
Surely. Well, that's really
Astaga,
sound
Murik.
goalkeeping, not letting the opposition have any scraps.
As, Cornell.
And
Corner,
it's gone
corner,
behind for the
corner.
corner. And it goes
Siap.
down as a missed opportunity from there. Nicolas Kuhn. Now, who can he play it to?
Astaga.
Well, it came to nothing in the end.
Paham.
Harui.
Berarti sih dua pertandingan ini main GG ya, main bagus ya.
Nias. Well, can they open up the defence here? Takes the shot. Strong hand on that one.
Oke, kasih. Minta dulu.
Domenico Berardi.
Oke.
A chance then for the
Babak pertama telah usai, kita unggul 2-0 ya.
charges. It is half time here.
GGWP.
Ne cambia uno il tecnico dell'Hellas.
So back in business here. Who wants it more in the second half?
Alah.
In campo con il numero 31 Suslov.
Tomasz Suslov. Flowing here. Suslov. And it's opening up.
Murik.
Off and more importantly, away from danger. There's been so much speculation in terms of whether the transfer would go ahead, but it will go ahead, Stuart.
Yes, it's an
Ryungu
exciting move
Moha.
for him, and hopefully we'll now see the best of him. But he'll need to settle in quickly to win over the fans. The move suits everybody, I think.
Could pose a threat on the counter. Sarr. Nias. Oh, moving it nicely. And they're not out of the woods. That was a really creditable attempt.
Good technique, but just couldn't
Ah,
get it on
tendang jauh aja lah.
target, could he?
Boom.
And a goal has gone in one of the other
Okay.
matches. Alex Scott will tell us more.
Rio Ngumoha.
Another goal for Napoli.
Now jumping in because this is a chance. And it goes! Well, it's one goal after another. A highly impressive
Selebrasi dulu.
performance.
Set. Selebrasi apa? Siap, gitar Makassar.
Well, first of all, where's the defending?
Rio
They're all
Ngumoha-
over the place.
Rio Ngumoha
Give
man
him
of the
some
match,
credit. That's a good finish. Great composure.
GWP Pak umpamanya Pak Rio Ngumoha Pak. Andil peran juga dari Berardi ya. Astaga. Berardi berhenti dong tadi.
Domagoj Bradaric. Well, we're sorry for interrupting you just then, Alex. Just to confirm, Napoli have scored in that game.
Keren
And the lead as things
Gallagher.
stand is 2-0.
Mahal. Turun dulu.
Well, more live
Sisir.
action from Serie A for you to look forward to. It's Sassuolo against Udinese. Takes it on. No way through.
Oke, corner kick. Kita ganti-ganti pemain dulu, Pak. 3-0 bebas lah ganti-ganti pemain. Sikun Solemana kali ya. Mandur coba. Leroy boleh kita kasih jam terbang.
So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. Trying to deliver it accurately. Just over the crossbar with that effort.
Dur.
20
Dur.
minutes to go.
Kemana
Easily intercepted.
Dur?
Sarr. Chance maybe to use the counter-attacking ability to good effect. Well, unfortunately, it fizzled out in the end. Oh, danger here. Can he do it? Oh, it's a really well-timed
Anjir,
challenge.
analog kanan
Yeah,
Pak
great
anjir.
tackle, wasn't it?
Alah.
Well, no shortage of live action coming your way right here on EA TV. And Stuart and I looking forward to being with you for this match.
And what a game that will be. Two good teams in a great stadium. I'm really looking forward to that one.
Attempting to place
untung
the ball
blunder
at the
siapa
back of the
Pras sih.
net, but not going according to plan. So a personnel change then.
Rio
Well, news to
Ngumoha
bring you from one
duel.
of the other games, and big news at that. Here's Alex Scott.
Yeah, it was a penalty for Torino. Even though the keeper went the right way, it's hit the woodwork and gone in. It's now
Overlap.
2-1 with 82 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Domenico Berardi. Now a decent position. Oh,
Alah.
stopped out the threat.
Well, that really did kill the danger, didn't it?
Cercati mundur. Oh. Mundur sih nggak boleh di.
Serdar. Oh, read it really well. Will it be? Angle was fine
Lilian
from
Thuram.
Absolutely.
Volpato.
From that position, that was a very good effort.
Oke, berapa detik lagi ya? Alah. Oke, kemenangan penting untuk mendongkrak posisi kita di klasemen sementara.
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? I was particularly impressed with their play going forward. Really lively.
Oke, kita nggak jauh beda shotnya ya. Ball possession kalah, lose 10 anjir, bentar. 2 gol kah? Oh iya 2 gol anjir. Bumoa 1 gol 1 assist, Berardi 1 assist, Gallagher gila. Struwik mantap, Cercati, Leroy oke, nggak apalah, yang penting tadi ada percobaan ya. Oke, beberapa tim imbang ya. Seperti Milan tadi.
Siamo in compagnia del mister per le prime impressioni a caldo sul match appena concluso.
Gelo.
Grazie ancora per il suo tempo.
Oke, untuk match Sassuolo dan Udinese. Kok Sassuolo? Sassuolo versus Udinese akan mainkan di episode selanjutnya ya. Tapi kali ini untuk terakhir ya, Torsfeld mungkin kita bisa negosiasi. Tukar sama siapa? Kobi Maino, Pak. Anjir. Secara usia dia lebih muda sih. Bentar. Dia tuh slice CDM ya. Cuman CM kita udah punya si siapa? Ndur itu kan yang enak. Burger, Ndur, Gallagher. Masih ada juga Nemanja Matic ya. Dan kita belum tahu apakah Matic itu dijual apa enggak. Sepertinya enggak sih. Sepertinya penawaran yang menarik. 21 tahun masih bisa sangat berkembang. Dribbling sama finishing bagus, long pass, short pass bagus, 10 tackle bagus. Punya trade, finesse shot sama press proven. Sementara si Torsfeld dia punya ini enggak ya? Mana Torsfeld? Slide tackle sama finish shot. Statistiknya lumayan sih, 6,89 lah. Di Serie A 6,97, hampir 7. Cuman saya butuh duitnya, Pak. Jujur 77. Mohon maaf MU ya. Anda jangan goblok-goblokin saya. Atau Kobi Maino? Enggak sih, tapi kita ada Ndur itu GG sih itu. Oke, Antonio Conte anjir, 77. Anjir, Jadon Sancho. Nope. Ya kalau ditukar sama Buemo. Anjir, ngotot terus, cuk. Conte asu. Nih, penawaran terakhir nih anjing. 76. Jarum 76. Oke, well. Itu dia ya. Negosiasi saya dengan Antonio Conte dan juga menutup di episode kali ini. Oke, sampai jumpa besok dan kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Akhir kata saya ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.